Hi guys, Anna's Best Buys here. Today I have this Lovecasa Beautiful Dining Set. I got this in set of 32 and this is the gorgeous set that it comes in. This is the big dinner plate and then this is the small one that you get. So as you can see, there you go. The detailing is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the color actually comes through the video, but it's absolutely beautiful. And this is the gold plates of the color. There you go. So you get 4 sets of each. So you get the big ones, dinner plates, dessert plates, and it also comes with the bowl, decent size, very good size bowls, and then you have the cups as well. And look at the details again. And it's a very good size for coffee or teas. I like my mugs to be quite big, and this is very satisfying. And overall, it's a beautiful, beautiful set. And also just a close-up, which is quite important for myself. This is microwave proof, oven proof, dishwasher safe. So absolutely amazing for this.